How to solve select all squares with motorcycles if they're non-click skip 100% solved. Ever been stuck on the captcha that says select all squares with motorcycles? Here's the 100% correct way to solve it. So step 1, always read the prompt carefully. It will ask you to select all squares with motorcycles or click skip if none are present. Now scan each square. If any part of a motorcycle is visible, like wheels, handlebars, or the body, select the square. Now, if there are no motorcycles at all, go ahead and click on the skip button. Now, after that, double check your selections. Missing even one square can refresh the puzzle with new images. And that's it. Select every square with motorcycles or skip if none are present. Simple, fast, and 100% solve. And that is how you can basically solve select all squares with motorcycles if there are none. Click on skip.